Hey, Jonah from Jonah Evans Home Team here. I want to talk to you today about how to sell your home for the most money. I'm going to break this down into 3 or 4 parts, but today's part is going to be on presentation. You've got to get your house and your yard right. That's number one. And photography, number two. So this is what's going to entice a buyer to want to look at your virtual tour, come see it in person. And this has to be nailed on day one. I'll go more into that in another video, probably step 3. But right on down to the powder room, walk-in closets, to your front and back yards or patio balcony. Every part of the space matters, and you want to ensure that it's cleaned well, decluttered, possibly staged. All of this will have an impact on how long your home sits on the market and how much a buyer is willing to offer you for it. You want a buyer to envision themselves in your home. You want to depersonalize it with all of your personal photos or anything that's super specific to your taste. You want to go as neutral and as middle of the road as possible. And I know that's hard for some people to do, but your agent should be able to direct you and advise you accordingly on what's something that a potential buyer may not want to see or may not be able to look past to see themselves in your home. We can also help you with where to put your time and effort in terms of maintenance and repairs and online photography. Can we take a moment of silence for all the homes that couldn't sell because the photography was horrible? Homes and the photography are truly the first impression, because before they even come to look at it in person, most of the time, 95% of buyers, they're seeing your home online first in their online home search. That very first photo and all the photos after are going to help them decide if they even want to come see your house in person. So photos have to be right. They have to be nailed. If an agent that you'd like to work with wants to use like their iPhone to take pictures and tells you to just take pictures with your phone and send it to them, no, that is not going to get you the most money for your home. Make sure the photography is professional. The higher quality and quantity of photos that a listing has been shown to help homes sell 32% faster. And I believe those are 2019 numbers, but it can only be more true in today's real estate world, where more people are relying on digital imagery to sell homes due to the pandemic, right? So more people are looking online, so more people are buying homes sight unseen even. You have to consider that some of your potential buyers, they're out of state. They live in other countries, so you have to present well for them too. Other than that, I'm gonna break down the other parts, promotion and pricing and representation, in future videos. Make sure you subscribe so you get a notification when those hit. You can always DM me, call me, email me if you have any more questions about this or other real estate related topics. And yeah, I hope y'all will stay tuned for the next video. Take care. Bye.